Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to do SEO in Squarespace. First, let's understand the fundamentals. Search engine optimization is crucial for making your website discoverable online. Squarespace offers a robust platform with many built-in features designed to help you improve your site's visibility. By focusing on creating valuable, high-quality content, you can significantly boost your chances of ranking higher in search results and reaching your ideal audience. Next, let's dive into keyword research and on-page SEO. Begin by identifying the specific words and phrases your potential customers are searching for. Then, strategically incorporate these keywords into your page titles and meta descriptions, aiming for about 50 to 60 characters for titles. Remember to use headings like H1 and H2 to organize your content, making it easy to read and keyword-rich. Don't forget to add descriptive alt text to all your images, which helps both accessibility and search engines understand your visuals. Now, let's talk about technical SEO and site structure. A well-organized website with clear navigation helps both users and search engines. Focus on optimizing your site speed by compressing images to under 500 kilobytes and using efficient code. Each page should have a custom, descriptive URL slug that includes relevant keywords. Finally, connect your Squarespace site to Google Search Console. This free tool provides invaluable data on how your site performs in search results, helping you identify areas for improvement. Finally, let's discuss content strategy and link building, which are ongoing efforts. Regularly publishing fresh, valuable content, like blog posts or detailed guides, keeps your audience engaged and signals to search engines that your site is active. Strive to earn high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites. These act as votes of confidence for your site. Don't forget to promote your content across social media platforms to expand its reach. Continuously monitor your SEO performance using analytics, and adjust your strategy as needed for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.